Hello! If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you join us here today. Today I'm going to show you 4 easy ways to decorate your gift wrap using faux floral and a few other materials. Okay, for this project you'll need some wrapping paper, you'll need some ribbon, you'll need some faux floral, you'll also need some twine, and these little flowers I picked up at my local Hobby Lobby, as well as these butterflies. You'll need some acrylic paint, you'll need tape, and I'm also including some faux succulents, and also gold wire, and I'm also including this little chalkboard birdie. You'll need scissors, 1 paintbrush, floral cutters, and hot glue. Okay, so what we're going to do here is begin to wrap the first box. I'm definitely not a pro at wrapping gifts, but I just wanted to show you guys just an example of what you're going to do. You're just going to apply your wrapping paper to your box, and then we'll move on from there. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're just going to take the paintbrush, and I decided to actually apply some dots to the front of my gift wrap paper. You can do any design of your choice, and it's also best if you use a smaller paintbrush when applying your dots. Okay, so next what we're doing here is we're taking the twine, and you're just going to wrap the twine around the middle section of your box, and go ahead and tie it off once you have wrapped it around the middle section of your box. Okay, so use your scissors and cut off any of the remaining twine. And next what we're going to do is we're going to actually take the twine and start from the top down to the bottom of the box, and we're just going to go ahead and go around, and once you go around you will tie it off, so you're pretty much creating a T. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to actually take the little flowers. If you have these, if not, then you can use any other floral decoration that you may have on hand. I actually picked these up at my Hobby Lobby. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use the hot glue and attach them in the center of the box. And that's actually it for this design. Okay, so box number 2, you're just going to repeat and go ahead and wrap your box using your wrapping paper and tape. Okay, so next what we're doing here is we're just taking a section of the ribbon and we're going to wrap it around. This is just to make sure that you have enough of the ribbon to wrap around to the back of your box. Go ahead and take your scissors and cut your ribbon. After you've done that, we're actually going to take some hot glue and we're going to glue the ribbon down on the back side of your box. Okay, so next what we're doing here is we're just working with the floral. So you'll use your floral cutters and just cut the sections of your flowers that you would like to use or your greenery. And then once you do that, you'll just tuck it into the ribbon. Okay, so what we're doing here now is we're going to take the butterflies. If you don't have these butterflies, like I said, you can use any decoration. And what I'm doing here is I'm just applying a little bit of hot glue on the back side of each butterfly and just adding it over my ribbon. And that actually completes this design. Okay, so now we're working with box number 3. What you're going to do here is take your wire and begin to wrap your wire around the middle section of your box. Once you have done this, take your floral cutters and cut off any of the remaining wire. After cutting off the remaining wire, take your 2 ends of your wire and twist them in the middle of your box, creating a circle. Okay, so after you've done that, you'll just take your succulents and you'll begin to attach your succulents on the front side of your gift wrap. So I'm just using just a little bit of hot glue to attach my succulents just above the gold wire, and that's it. Once you add your succulents, that completes this 4th design. Okay, so now we're working with the final box. So what you're going to do here is just take your twine and wrap it around the middle section of your box and tie your twine off. Once you tie your twine off, you'll just go ahead and wrap your twine around your box a few times. Once you've done that, you'll go ahead and take your scissors, cut the end of that, and tie it off in the back. Okay, so next what we're doing here is we're just going to take this craft clothespin, just apply some hot glue and add it just above the twine. Once you have done that, you'll take your little birdie and you'll just go ahead and open the clothespin up and add your birdie and twine on the inside of that, just so that it hangs. Okay, so for the last step, we're just going to take the floral cutters and we're going to cut a few of our floral and greenery. And once you've done that, we're going to actually add the floral and greenery on the inside of the twine. You're just going to slip it through the twine. And that completes the last design. Thank you so much for joining me today and allowing me to show you these 4 simple ways to decorate your gift wrap. I'll see you soon.